So I'm on 6th Street, and last video I took you guys south. This time I'll take you guys north a little bit, see the progress. You see here they've made pretty big progress on 6th Street going towards the beach. Down at the end there is a Fusion bar. Let's head north from here. These stones look a little bit different than the stones further south. These are freshly laid. They haven't put sand across it and filled in the cracks or anything yet. So this section to the right here is new. As you can see, it rained a little bit early this morning. It's about 7:30 right now. If you guys are interested, there's a site called Mexico Webcam, and this hotel is where you'll see it from. They've got a camera out at the very top of it, looking south on 5th Avenue. You kind of see the camera up there in the corner. But if you wanted to see the progress in real time, you could go on that website. We're on 8th Street now. This is really tore up. But from what I've been seeing, they've been making quite a bit of progress, at least through here. See, there's different colored stones. One's a little bit darker than the other. I don't know if that's on purpose or they got a company, different company that makes the stones. I don't know. These actually feel nicer. I don't want to make these videos too long. I'll try to keep them at 10 minutes apiece, but it kind of gives you an idea of how the progress is coming along on 5th Avenue. I'm doing these videos mainly for some of my friends live in Europe, a lot in Germany and Norway, and they are not able to visit around this time, and they wanted to see how the progress was. If you guys like to eat steak, this is probably one of the best steakhouses around. I mean, on 5th Avenue anyways. It's called Sonora Grill. It's a chain, but they actually have pretty good steaks in there. When you pay for it too. So, there's another steakhouse called 500 Gramos. I haven't eaten there yet though. Made quite a bit of progress here. This street here is where all the clubs and stuff are at. Cantina 20. It's another nice bar restaurant area. This is all fresh. A lot of progress through here. Again, I like this area because it's just got a lot of cover from the sun. A lot more trees. Looks like a brand new hotel or condo being built right here. I'll keep walking and maybe just break this video up in two like I've been doing.
Cuando estoy cumpliendo con mi trabajo. Yo quisiera que le preguntara